BluntCut MetalWorks, November 1st, 2020. This is HT5A 1095 63 Rockwell, sharpened at using edgepro at 20 degrees per side, finished at 400 grit diamond plate, deburred using the 600 grit diamond plate. Basically 400 grit to the edge. Catalog paper, it will cut. It's okay, it's not right, because the test will be my hardest attempt to test here. This is Home Depot, Rebar, 3/8 inch diameter, grade 40, and we'll try to cut it through. Just word up, about testing, cutting the metal. There are a lot of technique involved, but however, in the end of the day, the idea is to be able to cut through it. And so there are a lot of hammer control. So if there are a lot of practice and you do a lot of things, but then basically the edge have to be strong enough. And if you, anyway, I use 20 degrees per side because that match with the Frank Rich Tick. Cut with a lot of things. So I don't have one of his blades to test it out, nowadays. But I do wonder the accuracy we were able to cut a rebar rather than some of the material he cut that are unknown. But anyway, for my test, for the this heat treat 5, it improved impact toughness. So anyway, enough said. So anyway, I cut. I can, not very good to cut on whole bar, so I cut a little using a bandsaw and cut out this thing, a little chunk, and so they doesn't bounce all over. The idea is to see will the edge survive. Anyway, enough saying. Make sure that I would do fairly control hit. Not bad hit. Well, when you get bad hit, it pry. That's what I think. I try to put back in the same spot. And also, I don't want it too much bounce either. I'm not doing very good as a sew person, so I guess if I'm forging a lot of steel, I'm able to control better. But anyway, I don't want the edge to contact with the anvil because it would dull the edge. At this point, I'm going to put it on a block of African blackwood. Okay, it actually cut, and it's right here. It's nerve-wracking because actually it's the rebar is really hard. When I try to cut a piece out using the bandsaw, it's harder than when I try to cut out of this a millimeter. 3A equals to about 9.5 millimeter. Anyway, enough saying things. The cut is right here, so I'm going to start. I don't think I contact the anvil, so they should. Will it still slide in this thing? Okay, enter. Oh, that's 2K. No, that one. Okay. It's hesitate. It have a tiny little something. I just wonder, I would try to clean it. Maybe the African black would deposit on it. I should have some alcohol or something. I will take a close-up pic, macro picture, and stick it so that you can see it's right here. Definitely the tiny hesitate. But not enough to, bad enough to tear this catalog paper. Let's use a printer paper. When you cut rebar, and even though I didn't hammer it great, it's if a chip happened because you pry, yeah, it doesn't matter if it was the 60 Rockwell. When you pried it, you're going to take a big chunk out of your edge. Yeah, it's caught a little bit right there. Yeah, there. So I cannot say that it will smoothly cut the printer paper or the catalog paper, but it sure split the rebar and thanks for watching.